Hey guys, I hope everyone had a really good rest day on Wednesday. We are going to be doing a fun 30-minute session. There's going to be a lot of fun. Today's class is focused on fun, but at the same time, you're going to learn about coordination, you're going to learn about strengthening your body, and you're also going to learn about how to be aware of the space. Okay? Before we start, I would ask everyone to get like a sheet of paper, not sheet of paper, from your book. Just tear a small piece of paper, okay? See this much. Just keep it aside. When I ask you to use it, you will have to use it. Let's start with warm up, guys. I'm going to be playing a song just so that we have a background music. Let's start.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine.
Starting with jumping jacks.
Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time.
Come on, guys.
And oh my eyes,
Side,
don't stop.
side. Yeah.
You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So
And let's rotate our
dance for
hands.
me, dance for me, dance for me. Oh, I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They
Other
say,
side.
move for me, move for me, move for me. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again.
Head up and down.
Oh my God, I see you walking by. Take my hands, my dear, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. But you just beg to see me dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me. Oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me.
Switch your legs.
And when you're done, I'm back to do it all again.
Use your hands.
They say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me. Oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me.
And down.
And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again.
Other side now, okay?
Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me. Oh.
Let's keep doing
I never
it.
seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me. And when you're done, I'll make you do.
Now sideways. Sideways. Side shuffle.
Dance for me, dance for me, dance for
You
me.
can walk to the side, walk to the screen.
I never seen
Or you can
anybody
walk
do
to the
the
side.
things you do before.
Let's keep doing this. Come on, guys.
Say, move for me, move for me, move for me. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. They say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me.
Nice. Awesome, guys. Before we do our second fun workout, take your sheet of paper. And this, what we are going to do is, we are going to try to catch it. And each time we don't catch it, we are going to do a burpee. Okay, so now what is a burpee? I'm going to show it to you. Burpees. For burpees, what we are going to do is, we are going to start with a jump, reach down, drop your legs back, and just drop your knees and shoulder from here back, jump in and jump up. Okay, I'm going to do that continuously now. How does it look like? Jump, plank, drop, back, jump, up. Okay? We are going to be doing that each and every time we fail. Now, I might not be doing the burpee because I have an earphone. So my earphones might drop. That's why I might not be able to do all the burpees whenever I fail. But you guys are going to do because I am going to test this on Saturday. Okay? So let's do, no cheating guys. If you fail, you're going to do a burpee. Okay, let's start. Try to catch your paper, throw it, start. If you didn't catch, you're going to do a burpee, okay? I lost it. Going to do a burpee. Got it. Again.
मटर गश्ती खुली सड़क में
You guys are continuously going to do each time you draw. Seriously, I'm also not cheating.
सुलगते से सड़क में छतरी न थी बगल में आया ही ना अकल में के भागे हम या भीगे हम अकड़ में तो
Come on, guys.
गीला हुआ है जो सुखाना हो चाहे जनाना या मर्दाना हो
I got it.
नया पासा फिर दे गई झांसा मुझे फांसा तेरी ऐसी की हो तैसी जिंदगी का नया पासा फिर दे गई झांसा मुझे फांसा चिरकुट जिंदगी you know
What is it? Oh no. Start it again. Are you guys catching it? If you're not, you're going to do a burpee.
तू ही है वो जिससे खेला था मैं खो खो खेला खो खो तू है लैला
I almost got it, guys.
सुन लो मुझको ढूंढो ना जंगल बेले में वो पे हूँ ना तेरा ना मेरा
Last two times, guys.
ना ये जनाना ना मर्दाना
Okay.
पकड़ना मैं क्या नया पा
So, quick information and it could be a small break for you guys. This, what does it do? Why are we doing this drill? It helps us build our coordination skills, okay? We are aware of the space also, awareness of space, and also flexibility, right? If you're going to be throwing, and because of the air it flies away, you can bend, you can move, only if your body is flexible and not stiff. So we're trying to attain that. And it is also a good body workout because when you lose, you're doing a burpee, right? This is a fun way to do fitness, always. You can always do multiple variations of fitness. May not be the normal burpees. You can try to incorporate something fun in case you don't want to do it just simply, okay? Why do we do warm-ups? Warm-ups, we do it to warm up our body. As simple as the word means, it ensures that each and every joints, each and every part of our body is warmed up before we do anything intense, and to also prevent injuries. It's like preparing your body for the workout, right? If you shock your body, you're going to injure your body. So I think the information is enough. Let's get to the next fun activity. So what we are going to be doing today is something different from the usual. We are going to be learning some drills, okay, on how to become more flexible in movement. It's very much needed, whether you're an athlete, whether you're a sports person, whether you're a normal person, not interested in anything, you still need to be very flexible in movements, right? So, what are we going to do? We are going to be walking. We're going to be doing walks, animal walks, okay? So these are derived from contemporary movements. Contemporary is the dance style. Contemporary dance style has a lot of movements evolved from animals, okay? So we are going to be using some of these practices because it will really help us in understanding space and being aware and also being flexible with our body and mind, okay? So what we're going to be doing is, going to be keeping our hands to the side. So we're going to be sitting on our toes, keeping our hands. Starting with your right, keep your right hand on the right side. As you keep it, you're going to walk. How do we walk? We walk 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, again to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you notice, I am walking from my right leg side. If I'm doing the right side, I start with my right leg. Okay? To show that again. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Here I am engaging my core. So that's why I'm not falling off. Okay? Let's try that with music. Guys, you can always pause the video and see it, okay? Go slow if you find it hard. Let's start. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Now let's turn back. Let's start that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's turn back and let's shake our legs, okay?
मटर गश्ती खुली सड़क में तगड़ी
Let's do that again. Last time.
ओले
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back. Very good job, guys. Okay. So, why do we do this? What happens when we are doing this? We strengthen our legs. We're building up our core because we have to ensure that we don't fall, right? And we're going to a particular direction. So that's making our mind more active in terms of becoming aware of the space. Okay, now we're going to be doing another fun exercise. Let's do hops, okay? Now these are called as dolphin hops, okay? For this, what we are going to do is, you're going to stay still on the floor. If you cannot touch the floor, it's okay, you can bend your knees. From here, you're just going to move forward, okay? How do you do that? You're going to move forward with a jump. How do you do that? You're down, going to just jump, okay? So you're walking forward, jump, walking forward, jump, walking forward, jump. Okay? I hope you understood. So you're going to be using, guys, this is called your tailbone. Okay, this area. Going to be using only your tailbone for the jump. See, notice. Can you see this? The tailbone going up and down? That's what we are doing. Okay. So let's do that. We are going to be coming forward, back, forward, back. So 4 times. Okay. Notice, guys, if you think that the space diagonally is more, please go for it, because we are going to be using more space. Who is benefited? Not me, you guys, okay? So let's do, see the space. If it's wherever, whichever side is more, use that space. Let's start. Down, jump, walk, 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 jump. Come on, guys, walk, jump. Awesome. Let's go back.
खुली सड़क में तगड़ी तड़क
Let's do that again.
ओले गिरे सुलगते से
Walk,
सड़क
jump,
में छतरी
walk,
न थी बगल
jump,
में आया
walk,
ना अकल
jump.
में
Good job, guys. Walk, jump, walk, jump, walk, jump, walk, jump, walk, jump. Good job, guys. Keep going. Okay, one more round. If you want to rest in between, please feel free to rest. If you're thinking it's too much, stop in between and then do it, okay? Let's do that again. Walk, jump, 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 walk, jump. Good job, guys. Wasn't that intense on your hands, shoulders? Or was it just me? If it is, you have to let us know, okay? You have to tell us how fun this workout is, or how hard this workout is, what was tough for you, and what you like the most, okay? You have to tell us after this video. So why do we do this workout? We are building up our strength, shoulder strength, and also our hip mobility. We never use our pelvic area, and we never use this part of the body, right? So this creates more flexibility and movement in that particular part of the body. Okay? So we're building 2 things. We are also building our shoulders, we are also building movement there, and it is also a good way of warming up your body, because it's a full body workout. Okay? Let's do the next movement now. And the next movement is going to be a walk. Okay? What walk is it? I call it a Scorpio walk. And for this, be very careful, guys. You have to practice it slowly. So we are going to start with a plank. Okay? Take your right leg forward, left leg back. Again, go to a plank. So go to a plank, you need to drop both the hands back. And you need to turn. And go to a plank. Again, walk, walk, go to a plank, plank, walk, walk, go to a plank, plank. Okay? You can do it together, guys. Let's start. In case you guys get tired in between, if you feel like it's too much, you're not able to do so many reps, it's completely fine. Go slow. It's okay to go slow, but you have to be truthful about yourself. If you're lying, I can't help you, okay? You guys are growing. If you want to be the fittest and the next champion, you gotta keep pushing yourself and not give up. But be careful with your body. Don't injure your body in the process. Let's start. Plank. Plank. Step. Step.
मटर गश्ती
Back.
खुली सड़क में
Plank.
पकड़ी तड़क
Step.
भड़क में
Step.
ओले गिरे
Back.
सुलगते
Plank.
से सड़क में
Plank.
छतरी न थी बगल में आया
Try to do faster.
अकल में के भागे हम या भीगे हम अकड़ में तो सोचा फिर गीला हुआ
Keep doing faster, guys. My headphones is coming out.
चाहे जनाना या मर्दाना
Come on, guys. Try to do faster. If you cannot do slow.
नया पासा फिर दे गई झांसा ए वे मुझे फांसा तेरी ऐसी की हो कैसी जिंदगी मैं का नया पासा फिर दे गई झांसा ए वे
Yeah. So nice.
जिंदगी
Come on, guys. Do it. One more time. Plank. Leg. Back. Plank. And right. Left. Plank. Try to do fast. Right. Left. Plank. Last time. Right. Left. Plank. Okay, guys. Now, why do we do this workout? Okay. You would see a variation of this being performed in hip hop battles, in certain dance forms, street styles. Why do they use it? It's to build up coordination in the muscles and the body, right? What is happening in that process? You're making your mind more flexible because in the beginning you're learning the movement, but later it's super fast. And how are you doing that? Because of your body memory. So remember, guys, whatever you do, whether you're doing it in the bad form or right form, your body is going to remember. That's why it's very important that you follow the right practices in the right form and go easy with your body. Never push your body too much when it's giving up, okay? So one good takeaway from here is to always make your mind flexible and body flexible and remember that you do it the right way because your body will eventually remember whether you do it bad or good. So what should your aim be? To make your body remember the right techniques. So that the body memory, the muscle memory is in the right order. Okay? So at some point, once you learn this movement, you will be able to do it really fast. And that's what we are going to aim at. Why do we do this? To help us in coordination, to understand movements, space. It's really important for any kind of athletic performance. Okay? And in general also, if you're going to be walking and hitting on things or bumping on things or falling, why do you do that? Because you're not aware of the space. So this really enhances the awareness of space and everything around you, okay? Makes your mind even more sharper and stronger. It's a workout, but it really does happen, okay? Now, let's do something fun. We're going to be doing the challenge of the week. The challenge of the week is going to be a chakrasana, but with a twist. So what are we going to do? For people who already know this, there's a variation coming. First, we are going to keep our hands behind our head. Okay? How are we going to do? We are going to keep our palms facing like this on the side, taking our hands back. From here, we are going to be lifting our body up. How do we lift our body? Just lift your hips and whole body up with the help of the pressure on the ground. Okay, so taking your body up. Now do this in a mat, on a mat, if you're not comfortable. But staying there, try to lift your toes. Okay, if you can. If you cannot, this is completely fine. From here, if you find this easy, slowly take one leg up. Stay there. And back. Coming back very slowly, guys. Inch by inch. Okay? And once you're back, you're going to hug your knees. Because you gave a good strain to your back. Now we're going to stretch up by hugging our knees so that it relaxes. Okay? So guys, you know the variation. One is the normal thing. Second is with the toes. Third is with your leg up. Don't get everything at a stretch, okay? If you have never done this before, the first attempt is to just go on Chakrasana. If you're super comfortable with it in spite of not doing it before, you have to go on your toes. After 2 days of practicing with the toes, you're going to lift it up on your leg. Try to lift it up if you're comfortable. If you're struggling with your toes, don't lift it up, okay? Going to listen to your body. Respect your body because only you will respect your body. Okay, guys? So what we are going to do is this challenge is going to be there for 1 week. Okay, this pose, you are going to send us pictures. If you want pictures only I need, but if you want to send videos, send us the videos and pictures, and we will tell you guys the form and say who has done the best, okay, out of it. So you guys have 1 week time. If you get it before, then great. If you want to take your time, you can take. So keep sending, guys, and let me know if you like this, okay? This is my favorite stretch. Now, let's end the session. It's almost half an hour. How are we going to end the session? We are going to do a good body warm-up. Body cool down, sorry. Going to sit on our knees. Going to stretch our hands first, okay? Stretch and stay there. Just focus on your breath, guys. Breathe in, breathe out. No need to force, naturally breathe, that's it. So that your blood flows properly. Stretch back. Stretch back down. The child pose. This is called your child pose. Now let's go to the right side. And your left. Now slowly get up. We did a lot of workout on our hamstrings, legs, right? Now stretch. If you cannot reach down, guys, no problem. Keep your hands wherever you can reach. You're not bending your knees. Knees are straight. Staying there. Back, slowly, stretch your hand, stretch your other hand, back, back. Relax your hands, up, down, legs. We are going to do the monkey dance. Now why do we do this? Relaxes our whole body and we feel really looser. Our body might be tighter after doing certain workouts. Okay? So do the monkey dance, shake, shake, shake. Shake down. Shake to the side, shake up, again, shake down, shake to the side, shake up. Last time, guys, shake down, shake to the side, shake up. Okay, let's stretch your neck. Very gently, okay? Neck is the most delicate part of the body. So very good. And now we're going to focus on our breath. Same breathing practice we did. Going to breathe in, taking all the stiffness up. Entire energy from through to head up and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Last 2 times. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Awesome, guys. Before we leave, don't forget to do the challenge. Now, what does this challenge do? It strengthens your back and it improves on your flexibility of your back and your legs, because of the variation, right? We're stretching our leg out. So it improves back, flexibility and balance. Okay? Anyways, guys, I hope you guys took a good rest on Wednesday and you've done this workout really well. Friday, we are going to be having a really nice stretching session. It's not going to be intense. And I can't wait to meet you guys on the weekend. Okay? Keep doing it, guys. You guys are going good. Stay focused and you got this. See you guys.